It's a full speed.
It's okay.
Oh, it's just straight down.
Yeah, he just want to think a little bit. Yeah, you see? He make a party.
Not boof.
That's why you're scared.
Yeah.
Oh, look, he's aiming.
Siyempre guys, nag-ano siya. Nagbawa siya. Yan. Okay. Yan. Ito guys, pag ganyan-ganyan lang tayo. Ayan.
All the bottles.
Yeah. Very nice. Oh, they make so
They
nice.
make it so nice.
This is the Mountain Dew. Look, brother. Oh, they beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The plastic flowers.
Plastic, fantastic. That's new, man.
Our Carabao is very good. Very industrious. Ay, kabayo mo, inay. Like that. Maalikabok, guys.
In the jungle.
Very strong this Carabao, really. So, ito makikita nyo, guys. So, ang sipag ng aming kalabaw. Oh.
Yeah, what's the top speed?
15.
5?
Yeah, but he don't need to run full speed. Yeah. Very smart this Carabao. This is another tourist attraction, you know, brother, when you are riding here like in Carabao like that. You just need to relax here. I like this Carabao, very smart.
It's really beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, now it's gonna speed up.
Oh, hold it.
Hold on, man.
You hold na bed another side, yan ganyan. Oh, your feet. Put your feet in the ano, yan, ganyan. Yan, like that. Smart. This Carabao very smart.
Ikke sant, da har vi blitt spist av løvene fort, altså.
Nei, det er ikke mange som har tørt å nærme seg.
Nå har fort blitt spist av løvene, da.
Jeg tror ikke det er mange løver som har tørt å nærme seg.
Ang ganda ng chinelas ko, guys.
Det er en albino når vi var med i stad. Det er ett horn, så er løva klapper oppi løfta. Så lenge det ble flott, så hadde vi ikke trodd en dritt.
Nei, det hadde plutselig kommet en flok, så hadde vært jævlig sykt.
Pwede nyo naman guys lakarin. Kaya lang, medyo malayo nga kasi. Tsaka may libreng baby powder.
It's a natural polymer here, baby.
Yeah,
Look at the powder.
I like it. It's very nice. But look at them, oh, they are walking. But we are not in condition to walk.
No, it's not that. This is more nice.
Yeah, very nice. Oh. Ayan guys, sila, naglalakad sila. Kami nakasakay lang kami dito. Ito yun naman yung chinelas ko, napakadumi. Ayan, oh, maalikabok na.
Dere går, dere.
Have a nice walk!
So, ayan sila guys, naglalakad sila. Malikabok guys, sobrang malikabok. Paano kaya yung aming Carabao ay ma-flat? Yeah, because if I did not do this, brother, I will get the asthma. Ganda. Ay! Ganda, oh. Galing nung kalabaw namin. Ay, na-stuck na tayo dito, kalabaw ko. Napakalakas, he is very strong. This Carabao.
Very strong.
And they eat grass.
Yeah, grass, brother. But if there is no grass, you know the... Kuya, ma-stuck na tayo, kuya. Ayan o. Ayan o. Ayun. Okay. Very good, this Carabao. Very smart. He calculate the ano.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, very... Mag...
Ja, nu då. Vi kan värmekilometer.
Yan guys, maalikabok ko.
Räknar ni hur många meter det går? Nej, jag tror nu. Men han...